back to my channel. So get ready with me for shopping with my friend. ఇక్కడ నేను రఫుల్ డ్రెస్ వేసా. This is how it looks. And fast గా మేకప్ వేసేసుకుందాం. This is how the final look turned out. Make it look